Welcome to Mommy's Garden. Today, my mommy will show off her different varieties of aglaonimas. Ang dami na nila.
Let's start counting. Number 1, Siam Aurora. This is my first aglaonema, and I actually started with only one cutting. And would you believe? I have at least more than 20 pots this time. Number 2, Chrysandra. This aglo is actually a cutting from Siam Aurora, but variation took place in the growing leaves, so I gave her a different name. Number 3, Silver King Tyrone. There is one thing unique in this aglo, which I haven't seen in any of the aglos I watch, featured in most of the vlogs. This, the stripes on the stems. Number 4, Spring Snow. This aglaonema has white leaves with green edges and spots with blues of pinkish white. This is one of the best plants for beginners. Number 5, Red Valentine. This is a beautiful slow-growing house plant. The colors of leaves start out more pink and turn red as the leaves mature. Number 6, Red Zircon. This is one of the most beautiful and rare variety of aglaonema, with all leaves look like cluster of hearts, having pinkish bright red color. Number 7, Pink Valentine. This aglaonema is also known as a luck-bringing plant. It needs low light and water. It has a striking pink, colorful foliage. Number 8, Black Sumatra. This is similar to Pride of Sumatra, but I'm not sure of its name. Whoever knows this particular aglo, please comment down below. It will be greatly appreciated. Number 9, Wailin Isabel. I haven't seen an aglo exactly the same as this in the vlogs that I've watched. There are some that are similar, but the leaves are not curved like this. That's why I gave it a name the way I like it. Number 10, Snow White. This is one of the easiest to grow houseplants, while it's also one of the most interesting and decorative ones. The green leaves are stylishly flushed with white. Number 11, Silver Bay Regina. This is another aglo of mine which I think is unique. I tried to find its name from the internet and vlogs about aglaonimas, but I haven't seen a variety exactly the same as this, so I decided to give it a name of its own. Number 12, Pride of Sumatra. This plant symbolizes the diversity of forests in Sumatra. That is why it is named Aglaonema Pride of Sumatra. And number 13, Christine Fay. This is another aglo variety of mine which I cannot find the name. It looks like Snow White, but the leaves are much larger. I gave it the name of its own.